A love fest of pets and their owners that's always a huge draw.
These pets have put on their Sunday best and are off to get blessed.
3-year-old Kahlua Royale made her first trip to the altar.
It's a mad world. Come here, this is love. This is really love.
On special feast days, priests bless a range of creatures, great and small.
So who do we have here?
This is Babe. I adopted her from a man on the street in Brooklyn in Park Slope
And Babe will be blessed.
because she's a terrific Brooklyn mutt.
Honouring animal patrons like St Francis of Assisi, who is celebrated in October, and St Anthony, who is recognised in January. This tradition goes back a long way. Said to have originated in Spain hundreds of years ago, the act of blessing pets has gained momentum in recent years, drawing huge gatherings of spiritual pet owners and adoring crowds.